go, use it, use it.
Go.
Get it.
Pace. Keep wrestling.
It's there.
Keep wrestling. Keep wrestling.
Heavy hands. Get him moving. There you go. Elbow lead. Chase it. That's you.
Have your hands! Have your hands! I think it was. He says I got the headlock. Oh, good. Heavy, move your feet.
Get it, get it, get it, get it. 10 seconds, short time. Short time, table and get it. There you go, get it. 2. Cut him if you feel like it. You want to ride him a little bit? You're good, Dad. You're good.
Pick it up, pick it up. Your offense, pick it up.
One more, let's get another one, let's get another one. Go, 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 that's you. Bounce, get him to his elbows.
Move.
2 elbow deep there. Watch your shot by, there you go. You get
Heavy hands, heavy. Use it.
You're good there.
Motion, stance and motion. Very good, son, in that middle.
Heavy. There you go, that's you, that's you.
Go again. Go.
Nice, nice. Pull him in. Pull him in. Watch your foot. Watch the time. Watch the time. Be short. Knee break, sit him. Table it. Oh, we're doing all the work out there. Come on, you got plenty of time. 30. One good one.
Movement.
Get on him. Get on him.
Movement.
Heavy hands. Get it out.
Hey, keep the pressure on. Let's go. Move him.
There you go. Hit down. Right hit down. Hit it.
Let's go.
Right hit down. Hey. Trent.
You guys want to go eat?
Coming this way.
I'm not eating. I don't want to eat. I just walk back. When they come on for us, then we go eat and then Jack and
Control head.
Move.
Head up. Head up. Kamikaze. That's you. You're out. Laces down. Head up. You're out. Nice. Good job. Get one.
Let's go. Your offense.
Circle. Spot inside.
Circle.
All right. Circle. Get one. Get one takedown. A good one.
ISIS.
Put it away. Come on. One good one. Re-attack.
Head position.
Don't chase.
Go. Your offense.
Run in.
Your offense.
Good shot here. Heavy hands. Shot.
Your offense. Let's
Heavy
go.
hands. Post up. Elbow lead.
Your offense.
Ankles. Get him out of there. Watch that. Watch that throw.